Hello dear traders, this is Traders Union. In today's review, we will take a closer look at OKX, one of the world's largest and most technologically advanced cryptocurrency exchanges. OKX was founded in 2017 and quickly became a global leader in digital asset trading. While the exchange is not regulated by Tier 1 authorities, it is registered in jurisdictions such as Malta under the Virtual Financial Assets Act and complies with international AML and KYC standards. OKX also operates through licensed partners in regions like the US and Canada. Today, the exchange serves users in more than 100 countries worldwide and is known for its high liquidity trading environment, innovative tools for spot and derivatives markets, and a robust Web3 ecosystem that includes wallets, DEX solutions, and decentralized applications. Now, let's discuss trading conditions. OKX supports more than 350 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and hundreds of altcoins. Traders have access to spot trading, margin trading, perpetual futures, options, staking, crypto loans, and passive income products. OKX is also known for its low fees. Maker fees start from 0.08% and taker fees from 0.10%, with significant discounts available for high-volume traders and OKB token holders. The exchange offers several trading interfaces: a classic spot terminal, an advanced derivatives platform for futures and options, and the powerful OKX Web3 wallet that allows users to interact with DeFi protocols, NFTs, and decentralized apps. Now let's highlight the advantages of OKX. Low trading fees, among the lowest commissions in the industry, especially for active traders. High liquidity and fast execution. OKX consistently ranks among the top exchanges by trading volume. Advanced Web3 ecosystem. Includes a built-in wallet, NFT marketplace, DEX aggregator, and access to thousands of dApps. Rich selection of trading products, from spot and futures to staking, savings, and structured crypto earning tools. And now, a few disadvantages. No top-tier regulation. The exchange is not supervised by major international regulators, which may be an important consideration for users who prefer platforms with top-tier oversight. Not available in some countries? Legal restrictions prevent residents of several jurisdictions from using the platform. Complexity for beginners. The abundance of tools may feel overwhelming for inexperienced traders. Real traders' reviews.
Security is one of the main reasons I stick with OKX. Two-factor authentication and cold wallet storage give me confidence. I also enjoy the staking feature. It helps me earn passive income on idle assets. There was a delayed withdrawal once and support was slow, but the issue got resolved. Overall, the platform is solid and reliable. I've been using a scalping strategy with Uniswap on OKX and made some solid profits by catching quick price swings. The platform works well, but the mobile app lags during high-volume moments. That's a problem when you need to react fast. If they fix that, OKX would be near perfect for active traders like me. I started with OKX's demo account to get a feel for the platform and test strategies without any risk. It's a great training tool, though it doesn't include features like margin trading. Still, I found it really useful, and after a while, I confidently moved to live trading. A great place to begin your crypto journey.
In summary, OKX is a powerful and diversified crypto trading platform suitable for both beginners and advanced traders. It stands out for its low fees, high liquidity, cutting-edge Web3 features, and extensive selection of digital assets. At the same time, users should pay attention to regulatory limitations and carefully review regional availability. Before you start trading, we recommend checking the detailed broker assessment on our website. You'll find the link in the description, and testing all OKX features through a demo or small amount trial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Traders Union channel to stay updated on the latest crypto news, reviews, and market insights. See you soon.